Hello everyone and welcome back to Aviation A to Z. Today we are going to discuss about most important module in a point of view for avionics system of aircraft. If you want to get detailed knowledge about electronics and digital system, watch this video till end. So let's get started. Module 5 contains 15 submodules for B2 and 12 submodules for B1 and it is of 72 marks and 40 marks respectively. For checking the level of difficulty for each submodule, refer CR66. Now, we will discuss which book is needed to get as much as knowledge of Mod 5 and clear this module in first attempt. So, let's discuss it. The core book for Mod 5 is Mike Tully and you will see around 70% of total question in exam asked from this book. Other books to refer is YASA Tech book for Mod 5, which includes 3 to 4 extra or new questions and about 10% of total exam questions. Now, EHA palette for instrument contains couple of questions which can be crucial for clearing this module. Also, Yasmin for electrical and electronics contain around 2 to 3 questions. Some questions I have seen comes from pilot book or some other documents, but it's just 1 or 2 questions, and don't worry, I will give link of the questions comes from other sources. Check it in the description down below the video. Now, you know which book to refer for Mod 5, but how to tackle this module is the main question. This module is interesting if you are from avionics, but less interesting from point of view of mechanical side. But don't worry, I will tell you all the necessary point which is helpful to build your interest in this module. We will discuss in the following steps, starting from the step 1. I never suggest anyone for any module to solve the questions of previous years, but do solve 4 to 5 papers of recent years. It will warm you up and you will see the lines when you will go through the books. Read not only this module but every module from core book, line by line, and highlight the important point using pencil or highlighter. Now, step 2. When I study, I use a stopwatch to know how much time any submodule requires to finish off. This will help you to know how much you had studied that day, and in total Mod 5, if you read twice, it is of 25 hours. Yes, you need to study Mod 5 for just 25 hours, but with full concentration and attention. Now, step 3. Solve all the back questions given in the Mike Tully book, because I have seen 10 to 15 questions from backside in one session. Also, there is 6 practice papers given in few last pages of books. Solve all the question paper without looking at back answer and let me know your score in the comment box down below. Step 4. For particular topics such as instrument, avionics system, you need to refer books like EHA Palette and Yasmin. Do refer it. Make a short note from that book which will help you to solve the questions which are different and not seen in the Mike Tully. Step 5. Now, you have all the knowledge of digital and electronics fundamentals. You can start solving all the previous year digital questions, which can hardly take 10 hours. While solving question, keep your Mike Tully PDF or hard copy book with you and read lines given in questions. It will help you brilliantly in revising the whole book. Now, step 6. Last but not least. When you come to the unknown questions and not finding it anywhere in the books, use internet, because I have seen couple of questions coming from the internet. Now, by following all these steps and referring the books which I have mentioned, you will be able to clear Module 5 with thorough knowledge and with good marks. Also, to get the notes and previous year digital question papers of Mod 5 and others, you can contact me on WhatsApp number down here. Apart from this, you should clear all your basic modules while you are studying in the college, because it will be difficult for you to study and work in field. So clear all your basic module 3 to 10 while you are in the college. And that's it for today, and keep watching Aviation A to Z.